If you're not on TikTok, this is what people are making. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, and cheese. So you just roast some sweet potatoes. I have 2 different kinds. Okay, make a little hole or like well inside. And then, supposedly it tastes really good when you put the cheese in the potato. Look at that. Okay, let's give it a try. It's pretty good. Let's try this one. Honestly, it's pretty good. You know what would be better? Kimchi. Let's see. Kimchi, cheese, and sweet potato. Kimchi, potato, cheese. Simple, but actually so good.